And here's the spring we're looking for, the very bottom one, the main leaf. The next thing we're looking to do is get the shackle bolts out and get the shackles out of the way. Now, I think this spring had been disassembled before because all this stuff is coming out really easy. Usually there's some heat involved. You usually have to take your torch and heat these nuts up to get them off. And you usually have to beat the shackle bolts out. It's usually a big headache, but this one must have been took apart sometime recently and it's not a big deal. They're wiggling right out.